If your Steam downloads feel painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost Steam download speed quickly using a few simple settings and fixes that can make a big difference right away. We'll cover Steam settings, hardware bottlenecks, and a few network quick fixes that can help your downloads move much faster. This is especially useful if your internet plan is fine, but Steam still seems stuck, slow, or inconsistent. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam and head to your settings. In the top left corner, click Steam, then click Settings. On the left side, select Downloads. One of the first things you want to check is the download speed limit. If this is turned on, Steam may be intentionally slowing itself down, so make sure Limit Download Speed is turned off. If it's enabled, disable it so Steam can use your full available bandwidth. This one setting alone can sometimes fix the problem immediately. Next, look at your download region. Steam automatically picks a region, but that region is not always the best choice for speed. If the server you're connected to is busy or having issues, your downloads can slow down a lot. So under download region, try switching to a nearby city or even a neighboring country. The goal is to find a region with less congestion and better performance. After you switch, give Steam a moment and test your download again. In many cases, a different region can make a surprisingly big difference. Now let's clear the download cache. Still inside the download settings, scroll down and click Clear Download Cache. This helps remove stuck connections or corrupted temporary data that can interfere with downloading. Steam will usually ask you to log in again afterward, so just keep that in mind. Once you sign back in, check your download speed again and see if it improved. This is one of the most effective quick fixes when Steam seems to be dragging for no obvious reason. If you've already adjusted Steam settings and the speed is still not where you want it, the next thing to check is whether your hardware is holding things back. A lot of people assume the internet is the issue, but sometimes the bottleneck is actually the drive. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Then go to the Details tab, find Steam.exe, right-click it, and set the priority to high. This won't magically create more internet speed, but it can help Steam get more system resources during downloads and unpacking. Another big factor is your storage drive. If Steam shows high disk usage, especially if your disk is hitting 100% while your network usage is still low, that's a strong sign your drive is slowing everything down. This happens a lot on older hard drives because Steam has to download and decompress files at the same time. If possible, move your Steam library to an SSD, ideally an NVMe SSD. Faster storage can dramatically improve the install and unpacking process, which can make downloads feel much faster overall. Now let's talk about the network side, because even if Steam is configured correctly, your connection can still be the problem. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to Ethernet. A wired connection is usually much more stable and less prone to packet loss or interference, especially when Steam is pulling data at high speed. Even if your Wi-Fi seems strong, Ethernet often gives more consistent performance during large game downloads. You should also pause anything else that's using bandwidth or system resources while Steam is downloading. That means closing browser tabs, pausing Twitch streams, stopping cloud backups, and temporarily pausing Windows updates if they're active. Even small background tasks can affect your speed, especially if your connection is shared across multiple apps. The fewer interruptions Steam has, the better your download performance will usually be. So to quickly recap, the best way to boost Steam download speed is to turn off the speed limit, switch your download region, clear the download cache, give Steam higher priority, use faster storage if disk usage is the bottleneck, switch to Ethernet, and pause background apps. These steps are simple, but together they can make a big difference. If this tutorial helped you speed up Steam, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming and tech tips, and comment below if you want more troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.